Nobody today would come up with the idea of sending confidential information on a postcard. Although an ordinary email is just as easy for unauthorized persons to read, sensitive information is still sent unprotected. Swiss Post's email encryption service Incamail enables secure communication for everyone. Incamail is very easy to integrate into email clients such as Outlook or Office 365, allowing you to upgrade your email infrastructure for secure mailing. You can use free add-ins to choose whether you send your email with all attachments confidentially, personally, or by registered mail with just a single touch of a button directly in your email client. Incamail encrypts all data and sends it to your recipients by email. When the documents have been uploaded, Swiss Post takes care of the delivery of the data as it does with physical mail. No content is stored on the Incamail servers. Recipients can view the information they received by entering a personal password. Incamail is recognized by the Swiss Confederation as a secure electronic delivery platform. It works anywhere in the world, independently of device and system. Switch to Incamail now and send your data quickly, inexpensively and efficiently, as many satisfied customers from a variety of industries already do.